Another chainsaw kill. Man, that's the 5th one this week. I wonder who he'll attack next. Well, let's go. Man, I hope no one else gets killed. Son of a... Kevin, what are you doing? Get out of the way. Oh no, it's him. Oh no. Warning, more chainsaw attacks have been occurring this week. Anybody could be next. Just stay home. What's that noise? It's getting closer. What is it? Sir, the attacks have been occurring everywhere. I think we should send it in. Send it in? Why? It could go mad or something. We haven't even tested it. I know, but I still think we should send it in. Why? We haven't even tested it. It could go on a major rampage and kill everybody. I know, but that's a risk we're willing to take. Let's do it. Okay. Is it ready? Yes, it should be ready. Let's go. Now let's see if it's ready to go.